Microsoft's gaming division has announced significant restructuring, including layoffs of 1,900 employees, representing roughly 8% of its 22,000-strong workforce. The cuts primarily impact Activision Blizzard, following its $69 billion acquisition by Microsoft in 2023. Now, the decision is aimed at aligning operations and establishing a sustainable cost structure for the evolving business landscape. Alongside the layoffs, Blizzard President Mike Ybarra and Chief Design Officer Alan Adam are leaving the company. Barra, a former Microsoft employee, returned to lead Blizzard during the acquisition but has chosen to depart. Additionally, a previously announced Blizzard survival game project has been cancelled. Microsoft's layoffs are part of a broader trend in the tech sector, with companies like Google, Amazon and others also announcing workforce reductions in recent weeks. In January alone, over 21,000 workers have been let go across 76 tech companies. Microsoft's move allows a year where the tech sector shed over 168,000 jobs, with Microsoft itself announcing significant layoffs in the previous year. Experts cite economic uncertainty and a shift towards cost-cutting measures as key drivers.